What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw in the previous clip, the Legacy is finally back up and running. I'm so excited to have it done. And I bought a front sway bar for it, and I thought I was gonna go ahead and sell it because I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep the Legacy, but decided that I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it as a daily driver because it's fast, it's fun. Hopefully it's gonna be reliable, but I want it to handle it a little bit better, so I did pick up a front sway bar. I don't have the rear yet. I'm still looking for one used. We're over at my boy Dale's house because he's gonna let me use his tools. And as you guys know, he is usually the one to work on my vehicles, but today I'm gonna try to install the front sway bar all by myself. I know it's to you guys, it's probably not a big deal, but to me, if I can install it by myself, that'll be pretty cool. So it's a white line sway bar, it's a 24 millimeter, and I've also got white line end links for it too that were included. I picked this up for 60 bucks, so I got a pretty good deal on it. I figured 60 bucks, give you guys a video, and then as you guys see, I also have some of this. I know I just did the rims on the Evo, but I figured I would go ahead and plasti dip the wheels on the Legacy too, because I am not a big fan of the gold. I don't know about you guys, but I just don't like the gold at all. So we're gonna clean these up, and I might spray these too. So let's install the sway bar and paint some wheels. All right, boys, so we got the car all jacked up, and I wanted to show you guys the sway bar. So this is a white line 24 millimeter front sway bar in pretty decent condition. I only paid 60 bucks for it, so I think it goes for like $250 brand new, so not a bad deal. I figured I'd throw it on. Even if I do sell the Legacy, at least it'll handle a little bit better. All right, guys, so I'm underneath the car, and like I said, I'm gonna try and do this by myself without too much of Dale's help. We'll see how successful that actually is. But to get the sway bar out, I need to go ahead and remove the subframe, but it's not load bearing, so I believe these are 14s. I just have to take all these off, drop this, and then the sway bar should be pretty easy to get to. Alright, so I'm trying to get the end link off, and I had to put the Allen key in the end of this to make it so it doesn't spin while I'm turning the ratchet. So, wish me luck here, boys. Yeah, buddy! It's all out. I got it. Your boy got it. It's down on the ground. Alright, now we have this last side to do. That was a workout. I'm not excited about this one over here, but it's gotta be done. Alright, so I finally got the old one off. The old one is this black one. I don't see like that big of a difference between the two, but I guess there is quite a bit of difference. I don't know what thickness this is, but this is the new one. So let's go ahead and put it on and see if it drives any differently. Might do some races. I don't know what the heck's going on. So you guys are along for the ride.